Hi and welcome to another RapidStream video. This time I want to show you how you can add EPG metadata to your requests. Well, the EPG Id plays the most important role in here. You can add it at request parameter when you request add breaks. In case you provided the EPG Id, our system will look up the information behind that EPG Id within the EPG catalog. If there's existing metadata, it is attached to all add server calls which reference the data in their configuration, like placeholders, conditionals, or existence checks. But of course, the first step is to ingest that data into our system. For that, we provided an API endpoint for you, which enables you to ingest EPG catalog data. It can look like this here on the left, which are the minimum required fields. As you can see, you send us a list of EPG catalog data, which is the ID and the title. As you can see here, we have that ID which you can provide for us, and later on this ID can be added to your add break requests, and then all the other metadata you provide us here can be referenced. Of course, we don't only support ID and title, we have some more fields and parameters you can add. These are all currently available fields you can add. You can get the whole list and the information on how to ingest your metadata into our system in our API docs. For that, simply log in to the panel, and in the above navigation, in the main navigation, you will find the API docs link where you can get all the information you need to ingest an EPG catalog into our system. If you look at this now and say, well, I have way more fields which aren't supported right now, feel free to contact us. We are happy to help and add those fields if needed. Well, let's assume you inserted your EPG catalog and you have all the data in our system right now. You want to access it, and you can do that in our panel. You may remember when we configured the ad server in a previous video that I told you that there are special EPG placeholders here. So as you can see, the fields from the slide before can be found in this list. So whenever you provide an EPG ID in your add break request, we then can access that provided data. And if you add a placeholder to your configuration, let's say you want to add a ratings placeholder, you can select it from the list, provide us your EPG ID, we will look up the rating from that specific ID and replace the placeholder with the rating data. This way you can add a lot of metadata to your ad server requests, which may lead in more personalized ads for that specific EPG title running when the request was made. So somebody watching Titanic right now will get or can get different ads than somebody watching Terminator. As I said, you can find all the information you need to ingest your EPG catalog data in our API docs. Just log into the panel, you find it in the main menu. You can see all the fields we have available for you right now. If you need more fields, do not hesitate to contact us. We are happy to help, and if we can, we will add the fields you need. For the future, we are also planning to support the BXF format. We will keep you updated on that. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. We are happy to help. And I hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye.